Let's fix CarPlay if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to connect your iPhone through CarPlay to your car, I'm going to walk you through some steps if that's not working or it's not connecting. Now, the first thing I will do is check your Bluetooth connection because CarPlay ultimately works through Bluetooth. So let's go into settings here and let's go to Bluetooth. Now you can see it is currently turned on. Might turn it off for a little bit and then just turn it on. You can see right under other devices, it's looking for new devices, including any kind of CarPlay. So this basically resets that Bluetooth and allows you to reconnect it to any CarPlay. Now let's go back here and we'll tap on General. And then you can see CarPlay right under Picture in Picture. So on here, once you tap on that specific screen, it says available cars and it's searching for specific cars. And it says if your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel, which is a little guy that looks like he's talking. So you basically tap and hold on that and it will find your CarPlay device from here and you'll be able to connect. Now, if that's still not working, there are a few other things that you can do to get that CarPlay working. Let's go back here and let's tap on software update. Check to see if you have a new update to iOS. Potentially that's causing any kind of bugs or glitches and you not being able to connect through CarPlay. Now, the last thing we'll do on our phone is go back and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then we'll hit reset and reset network settings, that second option there. So it'll pop up with entering in your password and basically you'll want to reset all your network settings. This will reset your CarPlay connections with any other cars that you previously have connected with, and it will remove those profiles so that you can add them back in after basically they've been glitched out or not working. Sometimes just removing them and adding them back in helps all of those steps and processes. Now, if you go through all of these steps, keep in mind there are two different devices, so potentially there's an issue with your car or your firmware in your car, so you might want to get that checked out or check out how you update the firmware associated with the software in your car itself. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.